This is not your authentic Italian pizza sauce, but it's the best pizza sauce you will ever make.
Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Today I'll be showing you my mom's secret recipe of pizza sauce. She had a different way of making it. For that you'll need 5 chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicums into very fine pieces, chopped carrots, also very small pieces, green chili, depending on your spice level, spring onion chopped into fine pieces, sugar, salt, butter or olive oil if you don't want to use butter, white vinegar, soya sauce, black pepper, red chili powder and mixed herbs. So now let's get started. Okay, so let's start. Take a stainless steel pot or utensil. On a medium to low flame. To it, add the tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. This requires a lot of patience. You'll have to heat the tomatoes, let it come to a boil until all the water evaporates and just the tomatoes is left. I'll cover this until we meet for the next step. My mom used to make it on charcoal, which gives a unique taste, but we can also make it on gas. But if you can do it on charcoal, it will be better because there is a slight difference in taste. Keep the tomatoes on very low flame, let it cook. Every few minutes keep on checking the tomatoes and stirring them. Okay, so after 10 minutes of cooking, let's see. There is still too much of water. Stir the tomatoes properly.
You can use the canned tomatoes if you want to make your life easy and faster.
Let it cook. So after 45 minutes, let's see. It's almost done now. Now do not cover the tomatoes. Let the water evaporate. You can see the water is almost evaporated. Okay, so the tomatoes are ready for the next step. Make a well in the middle. Bring all the tomatoes to the side. Then add a tablespoonful of butter. Let it melt. Try to keep the tomatoes on the side. Do not mix with the butter right now. The butter is already almost melted. Add some chopped garlic to it. You can also add garlic paste. Do not add ginger. And some chopped green chilies. Then add some black pepper powder, capsicum, and just stir the capsicum with the butter. Increase the flame a bit. Let it cook. Now add the carrots. Just some. That's enough. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Salt to taste. And around half teaspoon red chili powder. Half teaspoon dark soy sauce, or yeah, and about 1 tablespoon vinegar. Decrease the flame. Let it cook until you see butter seeping out from the sides. You can also use olive oil instead of butter. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Test the mixture. At this point, add about 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Now finish it with some mixed herbs. And lastly, some spring onions. To get a finer sauce, cut the carrots and capsicum into more fine pieces, but do not blend this mixture, because if you blend, then the taste will become different. You can use this mixture on pizza base just as it is, with some cheese, and it will taste amazing, even if you don't add any toppings. And your pizza sauce is ready. Thank you for watching. See you next time.